Fractions in ascending order. Let's take an example. To arrange the following fractions in ascending order, and the fractions are 2 over 5, 1 over 3, and 3 over 7. To do this, here is a simple trick. The first thing you want to do is find the LCM of the denominators. Then the second thing you want to do is multiply the fractions by the LCM of the denominators. And then finally, organize the result from lowest to highest. So by following these 3 simple steps, you will be able to organize a given number of fractions in ascending order. Now let's apply it. Solution. First, let's find the LCM of 5, 3, and 7. 5, 3, 7. The lowest prime number here is 3. So we repeat 5, then 1 and 7. Then 5 can go 1, 1, 7. Then finally 7, 1, 1, 1. That is, we have to apply 3 times 5 times 7. Now 3 times 5 is 15. 15 times 7 to get our final answer there. 7 times 5, that is 35. 5, carry the 3. 7 times 1, 7 plus 3, that's 10. That is the LCM equals 105. Now we have applied step 1. To step 2, we multiply each of the fractions by the LCM. That is, now we do 205 multiplied by 105. And when you apply this, 2 times 105 will give me 210 over 5. Which, if we work with this, we will arrive at 2 in 21, that is 4, remember 1. Now in 10, that is 2. So we have 42. Now for the second fraction, we have 1 over 3 times 105. And this would give us 105 divided by 3. 3 in 10, that is 3, remember 1. And then in 15, we have 5. This gives us 35. Then to the final fraction, we have 3 over 7. Now let's also multiply that by 105. Now what's 105 multiplied by 3? 105 multiplied by 3. 3 times 5, 15. 0 plus 1. 3 times 1, 3. That's 315 over 7. Now let's divide this by 7. 7 in 31, that is 4, remainder 3. Now 7 in 35 would give us 5. So now we have 42, 35, and 45. And if we arrange this from the smallest to the highest, which of this is the smallest number? We would have 35 to be less than 42, which is less than 45. Therefore, this fraction in ascending order would be 1 over 3, then 2 over 5, and then 3 over 7. Thank you.